So we've got a Lexus CT200H that now we're able to offer full Apple CarPlay upgrades for pretty much every single Lexus model from the year 2014 to 2019 now. So in terms of obviously that NX, RX, CT, LC, GS, LS, ES, UX, LX, RC models, so pretty much every single Lexus model range now here at TTW Installation. So if you've got a Lexus and you've been crying after having Apple CarPlay in the car, then don't hesitate, need to give us a call. We'll be able to help you out with that. I'll just quickly show you how this one looks inside in this particular vehicle in here. So in terms of the system itself, it retains the original system, as you can see here, and then literally we're just holding down the back button, and then now you've got full CarPlay, which is then through the actual jog dial, which is already there. We'll also put a USB port in here, which you can plug in directly as well as wireless, and you can charge from this port as well. But as you can see, it retains the same original screen, but you've now got accessibility to full Apple CarPlay. We also do this with Android Auto as well, and as I say, it's very, very smooth through the actual jog dial, very slick and quick, to obviously get all the menu items up, as you can see, with all the features that you would expect in an original CarPlay system, but now in a Lexus. So if you'd be interested in having this upgrade in your Lexus model, then please don't hesitate. Please give us a call here at TTW Installations.